This video shows how I solve the main difficulty for adapting mixamo mocap to a rigacar animation. This is the website for the rigacar add-on. The mixamo entering a car mocap is applied to a make human character with a game engine rig. This tutorial gave me the inspiration for how to adapt a mocap manually. Mocap adaptation relies heavily on adding IK bones to the game engine rig. But my main difficulty was the armature reference point driving the root bone, which is a headache when using IK. This is how I made the root bone relative to a steady armature reference point. Now the reference point is steady and can be parented to the car.